Running SQL queries on a database with phpMyAdmin. This video assumes you've already logged in to phpMyAdmin. Now let's learn how to run SQL queries on a database. First, select the database you want to run a query on. As demonstrated in another video, you can delete or drop a field from a table by selecting it, then clicking the drop icon. In this video, however, we're going to demonstrate how to delete this field using pure SQL commands. Click the database name, then click the SQL tab. Type the SQL command to delete the address field, then click Go. That's it. The SQL command has been executed successfully. The address field is no longer in our database table. You can also click the SQL tab directly from the table view instead of from the database view, which is what we did. Doing so presents an SQL query window that is partially filled in. For more information on learning about SQL query syntax, visit the MySQL documentation page. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to run SQL queries on a database with phpMyAdmin.